In this video, I will explain how to accept private payments and how a user can access functions on the Trusted Payment Gateway service. The first step will be to use this hosting service so that you can grant specific access to your payment form for multiple users. To control that, you will need to go to the Payment Form Management menu by clicking on the wrench icon. Then select the User Access submenu. On this screen, you can see the list of users who are allowed to access this payment form. In the basic templates, the permission system consists of several levels. The highest level of access to the payment form is Management. This user will be able to access the menu you can see on the left and modify all payment form structures, as well as accomplish any corrections to the page's layout. In most cases, this is limited, and permission is granted to the operators. The next level is Transaction. These are users who are allowed to view all transactions placed under this payment form. If the user already has transaction permission, you can also enable them to have the ability to process voids and refunds. These are options to process corresponding actions on transactions that have already occurred. The checkbox Form is Private is responsible for enabling the feature for private payments. If I have it checked, as you can see now, an anonymous user must provide their email address and a password to access the website and process a transaction. You might question, when is this type of access usually needed? An example might be if you have a few employees that are operating on the phone accepting payments from your clients. Another example would be if you had just a few clients that you trust, and you need to accept payments only from them on a monthly basis, excluding anyone else. To give permission for a new user, you need to add their email address, first name, and last name, and select the corresponding checkboxes. After you click the Grant Access button, this user will receive a confirmation invitation in their email. If the user was never registered on the Trusted Gateway service, they will be given a link to set their password. It's important to note that there are also permissions for accessing full account information. This is the ability to view financial balances and the ability to engage in billing notifications. To manage this list of account users, you will need to go to Account Settings, User Access. This list of users will have full administrator control over the payment forms. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and get more about online payment solutions here. Bye for now.